In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix Windows Update error code 0x80244002C on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First thing that we need to make sure is that there is no proxy enabled. So click on the Start button and go to Settings. Click on Network and Internet on the left pane. Then click on Proxy. Make sure automatically detect settings the button is switched on. And for the manual proxy setup, make sure this is off. So if this is switched on like that, just simply switch that off and click on save. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. Next method, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. In here, we have this command. So we need to copy each command one by one. Control C to copy and then Control V and hit enter. Do not worry, the commands will be posted in the description section of this video. Control C, then Control V, hit enter. Then for the last command, now type exit, hit enter. Then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.